Be ready? Start. Sir, I was mentioning yesterday that the great expectation with which the budget had been presented have been belied so soon that one need not go into the question how far even the ruling party members would be able to claim justification for the statement that prices have been checked. Stop. My friend yesterday was talking here about the period of instability and indiscipline which had passed just before the present government took over. Stop. Indiscipline, instability, infighting, we are aware of these facts to the extent that they plagued our party when we were in power. Stop. But sir, I am afraid my friend had not seen the morning papers of yesterday, otherwise he would have been aware of the exhibition of unity that was being given by his party men at various places. In Chandigarh itself, there was a report of a regular fight having taken place between the members of his party, between supporters of the chief ministers of Haryana and the former defense minister. Stop. And they used fisticuffs and sticks, even stones were with the members of his party, which the ruling party is claiming, or maybe it was part of the new economic program which they are always talking about. Sir, about stability, we have a picture of stability in the various states, and I do not want to ask my friend if he had spoken to the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh or Maharashtra or Haryana or any other state to find out how far he was happy with the situation he was supposed to be presiding over. It is for anyone to see that for more than several months the administration in Andhra Pradesh is at a standstill. We do not know how many ministers are in the dissidents group and how many with the chief minister. Stop. This thing goes on. Stop. Right from the start, honorable member has been facing difficult weather in Maharashtra, although there have been explanations to prove and establish that there is no trouble, but people know more than to believe in this. With all this, the party deserves our good wishes and the finance minister our best hope in the difficult task that he has set himself to. Stop. It is not only a question of giving him lip sympathy or being apologetic for any word of criticism that our friends from that side may make. Stop. It is a difficult situation which has to be better managed. Stop. We were told that coal management has been improved during the last several weeks. Stop.